Hey guys, have you ever gotten into your car or maybe one of your friend's cars and it just doesn't smell right? Maybe it has some kind of lingering odor or it smells kind of funky? Well, Chemical Guys has the answer. You see here we have a bunch of our top air fresheners here, and this is not only a perfume, but this is also an odor eliminator and a bacteria eater. So it's going to get down to the source, get rid of all that lingering odors, say body oils, any kind of foul odor. Maybe you spilled something inside of the car like milk, which leaves a really nasty odor. This will get down to the root and get rid of that nasty lingering bacteria, and then freshen it so you have this long-lasting, revived smell inside of your vehicle. And we have so many different types of scents because everybody has a different preference. Just like everyone is different, we want a different scent for your car. And also you can play around with it, kind of change it up every month to month. And just with a few sprays, you're gonna get a long-lasting fresh scent. Now you can spray it directly into the carpets, your headliner, even the seats. And then if you're trying to refresh and recirculate your air conditioner, simply spray it into the right footwell and then turn your recirculating air conditioning on. That's going to bring it all through the system. You can also replace your cabin filter for an even fresher scent. But basically this is just an overview of all of the Chemical Guys air fresheners. Tell us what you guys like. My favorite one personally is the donut scent. As you guys may have seen in a previous video with my Buick, that's my favorite scent. But let us know down below what you guys have or what your favorite air fresheners are. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to learn more about these products, head over to our website, chemicalguys.com, or to your local detail garage to check them out for yourself. And as always, we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.